Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I'm going to showcase the document transmittal letter that I've created using Excel and VBA macros. So this is an automated transmittal letter which fills the information automatically and also tracks the client details and transmittal details. So this is the template that I created using Excel, which has all the details is like the information which we are sending to the client. This box is automatically gets filled to email, phone, and attention, then project name, number, date. So all these details will be fetched from this client sheet automatically. And then these all are the details which we need to fill, and these all are the checkboxes which we need to check according to our the transmitter which we are sending to the client. And then here in this column for the drawings, we can just make the drawings entries and then the revision and then the description. Again, we have reports column here and the documents column here. Similarly, we have the checkboxes for transmitted. There's check below for incoming check. So we can check according to our needs and wants. So we can check accordingly. So this is all about the transmittal letter template. Now, here is a button which has three options. First is to create a new client. Then the other one is the enter transmittal data. And then the third one is finally, we want to take the printout of this one. So it's a print transmitter. So I'm clicking on this first box of, first button, which is create new client. So this is the first part of this project. So to ensure we are creating a new client, so just we need to fill this form. So let's say I'm just adding test one, test client one, then test name one, address one, and then address two. And then one. So once I click on the save button, this has been added successfully. I'm going back to the sheet where these details are added. So as you can see here, these are the details which I have added successfully. Now to add the transmittal details, it will ask us select client. So in this drop down, we have a lot of clients. So I have added test client. So I need to add this, select this one. And then the client name, because we have a lot of client name as well for the same client. So I added this option. So maybe we can use the client name and then the date. Then project name as project name one as PR1, then PR2, then PR3, issue, and authorize. These are all the details that I'm just making as a test entries. There's nothing I don't have any data currently, but this is a test entries that I'm currently adding to ensure it's working perfectly. So now transmitter completed successfully. So you can see here test client one and the test client one. My transmittal entries are also added here according to the headers. Now I'm going back to this form. So just now, I just need to print out test client one. So I'm just checking this test client, and then my client name will be appearing here. Now I'm just taking the printout of this client, and I'm just putting over desktop. As you can see here, my test client name one, address one, email, phone, test name one, and all these details are automatically gets captured. And these all are the details. Once we fill out, then they will be automatically populated. So this is our document transmittal letter, which is in the PDF format, and it's saved on the desktop. So this is all in this video. So this is a whole dynamic document transmittal letter, which has been created using Excel and VBA macros. So if you need any customizations or if you need any help adding some more changes here, so you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp or email address, which I will be sharing in the description part of this video. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.